Been a while since I came over to the E36, but we're here. I'm gonna just try to continue where we left off of. So this, this is an expansion tank. If you don't know, whatever. I had this hosing from the last time I was messing around with the expansion tank, the stock one. And long story short, let me turn my flash on. Best way to explain what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this one down here. The bottom one would be going over that hose, and the top one would just go to the overflow up here. And on the other side, it would just have the level, the coolant level. So yeah. And another thing I would have to do is come up with some brackets. Oh shit. We're about to take a look at this box. Oh shit. Diablo ni lo saca. Yo, that shit looks heat, nigga. Shit. Ultra.
Got the expansion tank around where I was talking about that I wanted it. We got this shit mounted pretty good. It's not really gonna move anywhere. And instead of routing that lower hose up at the bottom, my boy Xavier thought of just bringing it up here like this. And I might just zip tie it on like these little holes, you know, in some parts up here just to hold it a little better. But I'm gonna try and double check to see if that idea works or not, and just kind of go from there. Right, the last time I'm gonna hear this car like this. Sounds interesting. We about to get the exhaust fixed right now. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna ever hear it like this again. Oh man. Fresh out of the fucking garage. I didn't even get to record in this shit, but this thing sounds fresh now. I saw Rico behind me in the fucking CRV. What the fuck am I hearing, bro? What am I hearing, bro? What in the fuck? Whoa, shit! Bro, what's up with this traffic? God damn. But now the car is that quiet now though. Back to how it was.